Good morning, 11th standard students. Accountancy, Unit 1, Introduction to Accounting. Today topic is User of Accounting Information. Okay, User of Accounting Information. There are several persons who need the accounting information for various purposes. They can be classified into two. First one is internal user and second one is external user. Internal user. The internal user are first one owner, second one management, third one employee. Next, external user. First one is creditor and financial institution, second one investor, third one customer, fourth one tax authority and other regulatory bodies, fifth one government, and sixth one researcher, and seventh one general public. Let's go. We discussed internal user. Internal users are owners, management, employee who are within the organization. Okay, owners. The owners of the business provide the capital to be used in the business. We call owner. Next, management. Accounting data are the basics of most of the decision made by the management. Management accounting data வச்சு decision எடுக்க உதவுது. Next, employee. The employee are interested in the profit earning capacity of the business. Next, external user. External user are the person who are the outside the organization but make us of our accounts information for the purpose are first one creditor and financial institution, supplier of goods and services, commercial bank, public deposit holders and debenture holders are included in this category. Next, investor. Person who are interested in investing the fund in the organization should know about the financial condition of the business unit while making the investment decision. Customer. Customer who buy and use the product and services of the business enterprises are interested is knowing the detail of the product and the price charged to them. Tax authority and regulatory bodies. Accounting information help the tax authority is computing income tax and taxes on the goods and services and other taxes to be collected from the business unit. Next, government. Next, researcher and general public. From the general public, from the accounting information to general public or large can be view the earning capacity and stability of the enterprises as well the social responsibility measure undertaken by the enterprises. Okay, thank you students.